Hi there. This is Yogi, Virendra Yogi, also known as Virender, by a great Indian entrepreneur and businessman, a philanthropic, great personality of power, Manav Ratna, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. He has done so much for the people. He has done so much for the nation. He has been dedicating his entire energy, effort, enthusiasm, passion to make India a proud nation. And he has worked in every callings and every field of building the nation. Infrastructure, hospitality, airport industries, philanthropic organizations like GVK, EMRI, and name a few, so many. I don't like to waste my time. Power projects and everything he has done. But there was a brilliant idea in his mind because he's a passionate tennis player. He wanted to create somebody who can really win Wimbledon in singles final, men's gentlemen Wimbledon final in singles. Some of the Indian boys like Lender Page, Ramesh Krishnan, these children have won some junior Wimbledon, which is played on grass, but nobody has won the gentleman Wimbledon final. These boys, Lender Page and Mahesh Bhupati, won doubles and mixed doubles, but that has not given enough satisfaction to great men of India, Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, my guru and guide, and a man who is my mentor, who really support me and help me every time. Dear friends, you look at the ground here, you will find this is created by me as my Eklavya tennis ashram, because why he trusted somebody can become a great tennis player. To become a great tennis player, you have to be physically very, very strong. You have to be mentally very much believing. The state of mind should be conviction, resolution, determination, passion, devotion of full measure, and ready to win or perish, a victory or die. So you find one man, maybe I, that I could have become a great Wimbledon single champion, but I met him when I was 35-year-old, the old man, because I spent a lot of time in studies in IIT Kharagpur and so many other places. It was too late, because I'm a man with determination. I'm a man who believes I'm second to none. I'm the man who knows the secret of greatness is drive yourself. You can conquer everything else. I rate myself equivalent to any greatest man on earth if given proper opportunity, encouragement, motivation, and support. I could have become, or anybody could have become, because most of the time they try few times, and when they are failing several times, they quit. But that is not the way. India has proved that if you become a junior Wimbledon champion and your Ramanathan Krishnan can go twice to the semi-finals of Wimbledon, he could have won also the final. Means there is something lacking in you which others have. So that is only the regret of the greatest man of India, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. His regret, he could not help and support somebody who could have won at least one single Wimbledon in the men's final on the Wembley ground of London. Thank you.